Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am very delighted to meet you again. Dear students, we are going to discuss the topic transformation of sentences exercise. Transformation of sentences exercise. Before doing transformation of sentences, you need to know the structure of the sentences. According to the structure, you should change the sentence into according to the directions mentioned in the bracket. So, let us begin. Copying in the exam is one of the greatest social crimes. You need to change the sentence into positive. So, now we should find it out the symptoms before writing or starting positive sentence. So, here we see one of, as we find or we see one of in any sentence. So, we can write down very few at the beginning of the sentence. Then later part of the superlative degree. So, we can write down very few social crimes, then you should treat verb. Very few social crimes are, as it is present tense. Students, you need to write down means just according to the subject. Here is subject, very few social crimes. So, I think it's plural, that's why I need to use plural form of the verb, that means are. Very few social crimes are, we can write down as, then positive degree of the superlative as great, then as great as. Now, you should write down the subject of the sentence. Very few social crimes are as great as copying in the exam. Copying in the exam. So, we can decide that whenever we see one of symptom in any sentence, we should write down very few at the beginning of the sentence, then the later part of the superlative, and then verb, then as, then positive degree, after that as, then the subject of the sentence. So, very few social crimes are as great as copying in the exam. Okay, let us read out the second sentence. It is a very serious crime. The students, here is mentioned exclamatory. X means exclamatory sentence. Now, you need to change the sentence into exclamatory sentence. So, what is the symptom and what should start? So, here is mentioned very, and before very also mentioned article A. That is why we can write down at the beginning of the sentence what. We can write down what at the beginning of the sentence, as it is mentioned very, before very it is used article A. That is why you can write down, you can start the sentence with what. What a serious crime. It is. Then you should write down subject and then verb. It is. And at the end of the sentence, you should use note of exclamation. So, what a serious crime it is. In such a way, you should first of all you should find it out the symptom, then according to the rules or symptom you can use or start the sentence and should complete the sentence according to the structure. So, let us read out the third sentence. Copying in the exam cannot bring any benefit. copying the exam cannot bring any benefit. The students, you know, you need to change the sentence into passive voice. So, according to the rule, you can change the sentence into passive. So, after what is the symptom here, try to find it out. Copying the exam cannot bring, you know, here is mentioned can, that is modal auxiliary. So, in case of modal auxiliary, you should change just following the rules related to the modal auxiliary. Now, try to change into passive. So, you know, first of all, we should write down the object of the sentence, any benefit. Any benefit, then modal auxiliary, then B, and then B3 brought. Any benefit cannot be brought, and then by, and then subject of the sentence, copying in the exam. Any benefit cannot be brought by copying in the exam. The students, you know, modal auxiliary passive form. First of all, we should write down the objective form as a subject here. Then modal auxiliary, then B, then B3. After that, by. Finally, you can write down the subject of the sentence here after by. So, any benefit can't be brought by copying in the exam. Well, our next sentence, our examination system should be moderated. You know, the sentence is in passive mode. Now, we need to change the sentence into active. Now, you need to change the sentence into active voice. So, now you should try to find it out the same term. You know, here is mentioned or given modal auxiliary in the sentence. So, as it is in a passive mode, now we need to change into active mode. So, in modal auxiliary active mode, you know, should be first of all you should write down subject, then modal auxiliary, then V1, then next of the rest of the words in the sentence. So, first of all we can write down, here is, you know, here is absent by plus object, that means there is no object here. So, you can imagine object or you can write down we at the beginning of this sentence, then modal auxiliary we should. Now, you should write down base form of the verb. So, moderate is the B3. So, now you need to change V1. So, we can write down moderate. We should moderate our then subject of the sentence as an object. Our examination system, we should moderate our examination system. Dear learners, whenever you see modal auxiliary in passive mode, you should bear in mind that you should write first of all subject, then modal auxiliary, then V1, then extension just according to the subject of the sentence. Now, you can write down here as an object. So, let's read out the next one. Number E, government is sincere in removing this crime. You know, here is indicated to change the sentence into negative sentence. Well, negative sentence, to change negative sentence, first of all, you should write down subject, then verb, then opposite word, verb, then negative word, and then opposite word in the sentence. So we can write down the government as it is subject here, the government, the government is not. So what is the opposite word of sincere? You know, insincere. Insincere. The government is not insincere in removing this crime. The later part of the sentence. You should write down the later part of the sentence. So, to change any negative sentence, first of all, you can write down the subject, then it may be auxiliary verb or principal verb or negative word, and then opposite word, and the later part of the sentence. So the last one is given here. You know, poverty causes illiteracy. Poverty causes illiteracy. And I try to change the sentence into passive mode. As it is active mode. You know, before doing passive, first of all, you should find it out which tense it is, and just according to the tense, you need to change the sentence into passive mode. So here, you know, here is mentioned as an object illiteracy. So we can write down as a subject here, illiteracy. Illiteracy, as it is present indefinite tense, you know, after subject write down am, is, are, just according to the subject. As you know, literacy is third person singular number, so you can write down is. Literacy is, and then B3 form of the verb. So you know, here causes, here verb, so the B3 of the B3 of the verb is caused. C-A-U, caused. Illiteracy is caused. After that, you should write down by. Finally, the subject as an object, by poverty. So illiteracy is caused by poverty. Oh, dear students, in such a way, you should solve the answer critically and carefully. You know, first of all, you should know the rules related to the topic, and then try to change according to the instructions mentioned in the bracket. I think without changing the meaning of the sentences. So no more today. Thank you all. Thank you very much.